Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I want to take a few minutes and just show you a boat that just became available. This is a 2016 Sailfish 240 center console. You'll see it's a very clean boat, especially for a 2016, in the beautiful light blue color. You'll see also, look at the bottom paint on this boat, folks. I mean, it looks almost brand new. Of course, it does come with the trailer here. You'll see that it is equipped with twin 150 Yamaha 4-stroke motors, and notice that they're white painted with the light blue to match the whole size of the boat. Does have trim tabs, got a nice long boarding ladder here. So let's go aboard and look at a few other things. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this 2016 Sailfish 240 center console. This boat's loaded with just about everything you would need for fishing, hardcore offshore, fishing the bay, or enjoying the day at the island. You'll notice here in the cockpit area, you've got your live well back here on the transom, out of the way. Little rigging station here. You got saltwater wash down here. Look at this, even got a freshwater wash down. You'll notice plenty of rod holders. You got 4 here, you got plenty up there on the hard top on the center console. You got more behind the leaning post here. Also notice here, look at the high gunnels with the Coleman bolster. Why is that important? When you're bottom fishing for snapper and grouper and whatnot, you've got tow rails down here at the bottom to lock your toes, so you can just really get up those big heavy fish. Now here's a big bonus for you guys that are really into bottom fishing and using the new electric reels. Both port and starboard are equipped with electric reel mounts. That's a big bonus. As you come up here to the helm, you got your nice leaning post here. You'll notice that you have not one but 2 screens here. You got a Humminbird and you got a Simrad. You'll notice you got the Yamaha LED gauges that monitor your engines, your shifting controls here. Look, more rod holder here on the gunnel. You look down here in the center console, it's a lot bigger and deeper than you would think. Those are your trolling motor batteries. You got a little sink down there, plenty of room if you wanted to put a porta potty down there, okay? As we continue to move forward here, you've got seating right here in front of the console, plenty of seating right here if you're at the island, and of course, it's got this trolling motor to hold your spot over the fishing. Comes with a windlass anchor here. You got pads up there to control your windlass anchor, as well as on the helm. Folks, this boat's got everything you need for some really good fishing, or just enjoying the day at the island at the sandbar. But this boat is available. Again, you can reach me, Kenny Brown, at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, and you can call me anytime directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, get out there, because it's all about making memories on the water.